Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is January 6 of year 2020. This is the first time that we will go to a beach in Dingalan for this year. So we are on the way now going to Dingalan. So we are now taking this Pan Pacific Highway. By the way guys, I am with my family. My son Renz is driving. Masunurin siya. Lahat ng sinasabi namin, sinusunod niya. Ang ganda ng ngiti niya, parang hindi siya naniniwala sinasabi ko. Of course, my wife is there. At the back. Say hi. And my baby Leah at the back also. She wants to be alone because she's doing many things in her cell phone. Say hi. Okay. In the meantime, mag-breakfast muna kami sa Jollibee.
Ano na lang kaya kayo?
Pasok, hindi ko makakita. Ayan, sige, diretso mo. Hirap pumasok na din ako. Dito na guys sa Palawan guys.
Kuya,
Ah,
kuya.
ah.
Ang sabi ni Daddy, ang parang saan niya pa full video. Hindi sinesearch ni Mama eh.
Posing video to. kami sa Cool Gate. Hindi na kami nag-check-in. At okay siya dito. Not so okay naman yung lugar niya. So, baba tayo. So guys, we are just in the day tour. So we took the simple cottage because we are just staying here for at least up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I think this is enough for us. And we have here the Ecija one. So you can rent it for 100 pesos only. I think this is good. But there is a common Ecija one there, somewhere there. For free, but I choose to have this closer to our cottage, a simple cottage, so that okay guys, so we are now going to take our lunch, and now we have here all inihaw, white salmon, and we have also this shrimps and pusit yeah, with sausawan of toyo with kamatis. So guys, join us and let's enjoy our simple lunch here. So we finished our lunch, and as I told you guys, really it's wonderful lunch. We had this white salmon, inihaw, and then we have hipon and this squid. It's perfect combination, guys. Especially the white salmon. Really, you will really enjoy the food. So see, as you can see now, it's almost done. It's all empty, and all of us really enjoy. Yeah. So if you have time, please come and visit Dingalan and enjoy the moment here. We are now here in the Coastal Cove Resort. I think I suggest it's quite good for you. There is also a cottage where you can stay overnight. So, and if you just stay to like a day tour only, this simple cottage you can accommodate you. So that's it. And later I'll show you. We will play and with we. Hello guys, now it's time for swimming. This is not really a good time for swimming because the waves is too high. It's too high, but this is good time to play with the waves. Let's go! Are you enjoying the beach?
Yeah.
So what can you say about this location?
It's okay.
Yeah. I want to see this.
Hi guys, my name is Leah. I'm 12 years old from Nueva. So look at this view. Look at this view. So amazing. I recommend you guys to go here. It's amazing. I recommend going here on Mondays because there's so much people.
Then?
Yeah.
That's it?
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
So Once again, guys, if you want to experience the moment that you feel this big wave on the shore, try to come here in Dingalan and experience the same what we are experiencing now. It's really unwinding. It's just like a native land. It's just like a native shore, native place, you know, down the mountain, and yeah, you see the clouds. It's touching the top of the mountain here. It's really good. The simple and very comfortable feeling that you will feel when you were staying on this simple cottage. But if you want some like privacy, there are some cottage also there inside, no? Especially if you want to stay overnight. You see those cottages, you can occupy that for at least, I think, more than 1,000, but less than 2,000. Yeah. So hope you see this place. Okay.
Bebenta ko pala yung sa likod, 20 din. Bili kayong dalawa.
May bato rin eh, may bato sa kawiran. Kung ano ba siya, mo, isang network mo, apat tayo na.